This is one of the biggest DIY projects we have ever done.
Today we're going to share our top 5 ideas that are pretty extreme.
If this is your first time to our channel, welcome. Make sure you are subscribed so that you can see all of the DIY projects we have done in this room makeover.
Let's start with number 5, go big. There are so many ideas to help you go big and extreme on Pinterest. And an accent wall is the perfect canvas to add a splash of color and express your personality in a big way. It's amazing how you can totally change up the look and feel of your room with just paint. Our daughter wanted something big and whimsical for her accent wall, so we asked friends to help us recreate our version of the Pinterest ideas we found. We picked up some paint and round mirrors and began to transform her old accent wall. You can do this too. Don't be afraid to try something new with paint, because if you don't like it, you can always prime over it and start again.
Okay, open your eyes.
This idea was perfect.
I love this.
Let's set the mood with number 4. New lighting is a great way to brighten a room and make it more inviting. We were tired of our old light fixture because the bulbs gave off heat and they often needed to be replaced. A chandelier light fixture was a great idea for a girl's room, and it's even better when the candelabra lights are LED. Now we have longer lasting, more energy efficient lighting that gives the room a little girly glam and a brighter glow. You can also set the mood with ambient light.
This is a 4-in-1 Galaxy projector night light, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in her room.
The calming colors and sky effect set a relaxing vibe that's different from the brightness of the chandelier.
Now let's check out number 3. Try an IKEA hack. This is the Svarta IKEA bunk bed that we bought because we really liked its style and durability. But the gray metal finish looked too industrial for our daughter, and she wanted a softer look for her room makeover. IKEA hacks can be very rewarding and give you a feeling of joy knowing that you made something better than before. We decided to tweak the look of the bed by painting it and adding a few safety strips. IKEA hacks can be an easy DIY and a great way to customize the look of your furniture. Our daughter really loved her bed makeover.
Now we're at number 2, style your floor. There are so many flooring styles to choose from. This is the huge luxury vinyl tile that we decided to install for her new flooring. She loves the marble pattern of these tiles. The carpet in her room was worn and outdated, and we were excited about pulling up the old and updating with the new. We soon realized how extreme this project was because it had so many steps, and we were working around a piece of furniture that was built inside the room. Getting rid of the dust and putting down new underlayment was so satisfying because the room was also getting a refresh with the makeover. One idea for stylish flooring is interlocking vinyl tiles or planks because they are super easy to clean and they're durable and you can install them yourself. We can show you how, and we'll leave a link in the description. Absolutely amazing. To us, this was one of the best DIY makeovers that transformed a space and gave it new energy. You can also add an accent rug to give color and warmth to your room. Whatever you decide, know that new flooring is always in style. Now we're at number 1, create new memories. This idea is to customize something special for your child.
In our case, Our daughter picked out a thrifted dresser, and she really likes things that sparkle. So we got to work customizing her special dresser for her room.
This DIY project had us trying all new things like glitter paint for accents and peel and stick shelf liners for the inside of her drawers. She thought it was too cute that her marble print liners matched her new floor.
It felt good to see how excited she was to bring her vision for this dresser to life. We created new memories for the both of us with this daddy-daughter DIY.
Everything came together beautifully with her customized dresser that fits nicely under her favorite kitty accent wall.
She liked sparkles so much, we added crystals to her doorknobs and installed them on her curtain rods.
Make sure you check out this room makeover series so you can see a breakdown of each of the DIY projects we've done for this room.
Here are some before and afters of this DIY. So guys, what do you think about these extreme ideas? Let us know in the comments, which one would you try in a room makeover? We hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.